Hey guys, welcome to my channel again. This is Wayne. This is next devlog in the series of the Indie Animator. If you don't know what the Indie Animator is, I strongly suggest you look at the first devlog, which gives a good explanation. It's basically a way to export from Blender into Unity and take care of all kinds of things that are pain to do over and over again, and it just handles a lot of things for you. So this video is actually brought to you by Daniel, someone who posted a comment on the channel who wanted to know if I would be considering using Rigify in the future. So this is a suggestion from Daniel, and I said it was a great idea. So that's what I did. I now have Rigify implemented here, and you can see if you have Rigify installed, there are several different types of armatures you can use that Rigify gives you. Rigify is just a plugin that's available by default with Blender. We're going to be doing a little sample where we take a model of a bird and use Rigify to actually export this bird and send it to Unity and see if it actually works. So, and here's a little model of a bird I made, just a simple little bird. But we're going to give him a Rigify armature. So here we're going to add the bird version of Rigify. And you see it's just a generic bird, doesn't really fit our model, but we're going to make a bunch of changes and remove a whole bunch of bones that we don't need and make this thing work with our model. And so here we go a little faster. Just positioning the wings here, get those in place, get the tail up to where we put our model. Move our legs in place. Still removing a bunch of bones that are not needed. And get the rest of the bird moved into place. And there we go. It's starting to look like this rig actually was made for it. Okay, we have full rig for our bird, and then we just need to now assign this rig to the actual meshes that are involved, and this will allow the bones to actually interact with different points of the mesh. So here we've done assignment, and we're just going to check out how this is working. Switch into pose mode and try moving the wing a little bit. And you can see it's deforming the mesh properly, so that's good. And then we'll try moving the head. That works for the body, but it doesn't seem to work for the beak or the eyes. And it looks like the legs are broken as well. So if we look inside here, they were actually made with a few different meshes. So what we need to do is select every single mesh that's supposed to be parented to the armature, and the armature itself as well, and then assign it, and then now all the bones should be affecting the proper meshes. So go back into pose mode and just rotate some bones around and see that they actually move things, and they do. That looks nice. Pretty cool chicken leg there. And the wings still work. And the head moves, and the eyes and the beak move too. So, all looking good now. So that's pretty great. And we'll just see if we can make him talk a little bit. And that seems to work too. And so now we'll just close things up and export to Unity. And now we switch back over to Unity and we can see, oh, our previous version of our bird died. So a strange thing that happens when you add an armature to a mesh, but let's get rid of it, place it back in the scene, and there you go. And this little bird now has its armature and it's ready to go. It doesn't have any actual animations yet, but we can certainly fix that. Okay, so now we're going to actually add an animation here. We'll make it a peck, just so you can do something interesting. And we can validate that everything works. So here we are, creating a new animation. And just messing around with some bones here to make it look like he's doing a basic pecking motion. And then once that looks like it's working, we can now bake that animation in and send it over to Unity. So now it's baked. And we can ship it over to Unity. And go back to Unity, and now it actually has animations. So if we start playing, you'll see it's pecking, which is exactly what we want. And it looks pretty good for a 20-second animation you just made. Not really doing anything else, but you can interact with them, you can bump them around, all the stuff works. Super easy, it works just like all the other ones. So, anyway, thanks for the tip, Daniel. I think this is a great addition, and looking forward to more videos. So have a great one. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe, and have a great day. See you, everyone.